Hey Jeff, so I would love an answer to the question, can I file a lawsuit if I was injured on the job?
Thanks, Krista. Great question. This happens all the time. Many of my Florida clients call and have been hurt at their place of employment or on the job, and they want to know, can I file a lawsuit? The answer is maybe. And it depends upon, when you get hurt on the job, you have what's called a workers' compensation claim. And there are work comp attorneys who handle nothing but workers' compensation claims. And it's very important that you contact an attorney who is an expert in work comp when you are trying to recover work comp benefits. But the question becomes, how were you hurt? Okay. If you were hurt by the negligence of your employer didn't do something that they should have done or did something that they should not have done, you generally cannot sue your own employer for negligence. You're limited to going through work comp. But what happens if you were injured on the job due to the negligence of somebody else or some other entity? For example, a lot of people are at work. Let's say you work at Walmart, and Walmart hires a maintenance company to come take care of the premises, the outdoor, the bushes, the grass, that sort of thing. And you are working outside at Walmart and you trip and fall over some cord or some substance that entity has left on the ground, then you would have a claim against Walmart for work comp, but then you could also file a lawsuit against this third party, even though you were injured on the job. Another example is, a lot of times places of employment will hire third party, janitor companies or maintenance companies to come in and mop the floors or wax the floors, those sorts of things. If you're walking down the hallway at work and this third party janitor company has created some sort of a hazard and you slip and fall and you're injured, then you would have a work comp claim against your employer, but you would also have a lawsuit for personal injuries against this third party janitor company or maintenance company that is not your employer. So it's very important, if you've been hurt on the job, to contact a work comp attorney, but also a personal injury attorney who can investigate and find out whether or not there was some third party that caused or contributed to causing your injuries. And in which case you could have a work comp claim going with a work comp attorney, and then you could also have another personal injury claim that you bring against the third party. So I would tell anybody who's ever been hurt on the job, make sure you reach out to experienced attorneys who know how to handle work comp and know how to handle personal injury claims, so you can get a complete answer to the question of whether or not you can file a lawsuit when you've been hurt on the job.